Hi guys, hello and welcome to Real GPL once again, and today we are going to talk about if you have bought a theme from or a plugin from Real GPL site, and if you want to install that using cPanel because the theme file is big, because the plugin file is big, or you are having some restrictions from your hosting provider. In that case, how a theme can be installed using cPanel or your file manager, we are going to see that. So let's suppose you bought Shade Pro theme. So I already have downloaded it, so I am going to show you that. So what I have to show you, if I go to my videos folder, I have kept that there, so you can see like Shade Pro file is there. So we have already told you in our earlier tutorials that in case of theme or plugin, we must check once like what is inside the zip. So you can see inside this zip we are having another zip file. So first of all we have to unzip it. Okay, so I am going to extract it. Now we'll get a folder, and that folder containing a lot of subfolders, so don't worry about that. So you can see like after extracting we got Shade Pro child and Shade Pro parent theme. Now if you check the size of this Shade Pro parent theme, the size is more than 20 megabytes. So if you are having upload restrictions from your hosting provider, then in that case you can use your file manager, you can use your FTP, you can use your cPanel, HPanel, whatever panel you have to install the theme directly from the backend. So what we have to do, we have to go to our root directory of our website, and then go to WP content, and then go to themes folder, and here you have to upload. So right now if you see here, we are having only one theme, that is 2021. We can verify this using our dashboard. So if you go to appearance and then themes, you can see we must be having only one theme, that is 2021. So what we have to do, we have to click on upload, and we have to upload our parent and child themes file here. So I am uploading it one by one. You can see the Shade Pro child is already uploaded, and Shade Pro parent file is getting uploaded. Okay, so now you can see like both the files are uploaded. Now if I go to the same folder, and if I click on refresh or reload, we must see these two files. So what we have to do, we have to extract it one by one. Okay, so just extract it in the same folder, and after extraction just click on reload to see these two folders. You can see like they are properly extracted. So now if we go to our theme section, and if we refresh, we can easily find out those two themes here. So you can see Shade Pro parent and Shade Pro child is here. We have to activate the child one, not the parent one, that we have already covered in our earlier tutorials. So now Shade Pro child is activated. So now you can continue with the plugin which are required, and then you can continue with the demo installation. So I think you got it clearly, like if you have to install a bigger theme file or plugin file using file manager, then how can you do that? Using cPanel, then how can you do that? So now you can see like we have done this process for theme. In case of plugin, what you have to do, just go to WP content. Okay, and after that go to plugin folder and upload your file here, and then extract it, and other things are same. And also in case of plugin, after the extraction you have to go to plugins to check that, not to the themes. That is a very simple thing. So I think you got the clear idea, clear picture now. So if you have not joined our membership plan, you must join that, because by joining our membership you can save a lot of money. We are having right now 4 membership plans, that is for month basis, year basis, 3-year basis, and then the last one is for lifetime, which is the best deal. So I will see you in the next tutorial. Till then, enjoy your day. Bye bye.